Okay, so this is going to be the first run of the OKMO Lister D. I've just put in 10 mils of, I used this Honda 4-stroke engine oil. I've put in 10 mils in the top of the sump there. I'll just show you that now. So this is the top of the sump with the sump cover off. Just turning the flywheel, and you can see that movement in there. So I've put 10 mils of 4-stroke oil in there. Alright, now I'll just put this cover on. It's held on with 2 screws. Okay, that's on. Spin it around. We'll put some fuel in. I'm just using shellite, which is like white gas or common gas in the US. It's the same as Zippo lighter fuel fluid. This is all very exciting. First time. I think I did accidentally knock the carby adjustment when I was taking it out of the box, so it says in the instruction manual that it comes factory set, so hopefully I've put it back to roughly where it should be. So EngineDIYShop battery, fresh battery, put that in there. These are always a bit of a pain to get sitting right so that box sits flush. I'm not going to worry about that too much at the moment. So batteries in, fuel's in. Okay, water. Put some water in the hopper, cooling water. It holds a fair bit. I can see that coming up, still taking it. Don't want to go too high. I think that'll, I'll just put a little bit more in. Alright. So, where are we up to? Batteries in. I think that's right. Okay, we've got good compression. Now I'm going to start it from this side. So I've got, you can see that the way that's cut there on this. So we'll turn it on and we'll see how we go. Alright, here we go. First time. Wow. Oh, how's that? And we're off. How was that first start? First turn of the drill. There's some exhaust coming out of there. What a beautiful engine. I'll just adjust this light a little bit. The Lister D from OKMO, brought out by Retrol, sourced from EngineDIYShop. Wow, that's exciting. Okay, turn it down a a little tiny bit. I'm not sure. I'll try a little bit more. Well, this is my first petrol gas engine that's not jumping around like a jackrabbit. What a beauty. Okay, it stopped raining. I've come out of my shed. I've got a little bit more room out on this outside workbench. Let's see if this Lister D starts up as easily the second time as it did the first time. That was absolutely fantastic. Literally out of the box. So on. Put this in here. Wow, there we go. What a fantastic engine. This sounds so fantastic running. I think with the belt running off that pulley, I think this is going to be able to run so many different accessories and like put it to work like a Lister D would have 100 years ago. I've got some accessories that are going to suit this absolutely perfectly. Oh, this is just absolutely fantastic. I'm going to stop that. I just want to see if that starts again that easily. I've got a lot of petrol engines and I've never had one really that's been this great straight out of the box. Whoa. If you could see my face, I've got the biggest smile on my face. That is such a buzz. That is absolutely fantastic. water's only very lukewarm. Alright, we'll turn it off. And there we have it, the Lister D from OKMO, brought out by Retrol. And just absolutely superb. Jin has done the most fantastic job with this. And I'm just running it on shellite, which is in Australia, which is what the Americans would call white gas. A lot of the other places in the world, it's naphtha. That's what it is. Shellite is just naphtha. And I am absolutely blown away with how fantastic this is. Alright, last time, I'm going to have to start it once more on. Alright, going to turn it off. Okay, there we have it, the Lister D. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye now.